Hi everyone, today I'm heading to the OFFF Festival. Over there, OFFF, it's international creative festival about design, illustration, digital art and technology, held in Barcelona. Amazing speakers from all over the world. Adobe and Procreate have awesome booths.
Hey Procreate, I'm your biggest fan!
I got to chat with Procreate team, they are the best. We even took a selfie. And will I listen to talks, check out how I create my new illustration. Inspired by OFFF Fest. Drawing in Procreate, of course. So many incredible speakers. Took a little break. Ten minutes draw at the Adobe booth and printed the poster.
And once again, just showing you how I make stuff.
Meet Kira, my daughter. She's an illustrator too. It was really an amazing day. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon.